Right now, at this very moment, artificial intelligence systems are tracking your face, your voice, your location, and your spending habits across dozens of countries simultaneously. This is not a dystopian movie plot. This is 2024 reality, and most people have absolutely no idea how far it has already gone. Let me break down exactly what is happening and why it matters for every single person watching this. China currently operates the largest AI surveillance network on Earth. As of 2023, the country has deployed over 700 million cameras connected to facial recognition systems. That is roughly one camera for every 2 citizens. The system, known as Skynet, and yes, that is the actual name, can identify a person in a crowd within 3 seconds with an accuracy rate that the Chinese government claims exceeds 99.8%. But here is where it gets deeply unsettling. This technology is not staying inside China's borders. A 2022 Carnegie Endowment for International Peace report found that at least 75 countries worldwide have already adopted AI surveillance tools, many of them built by Chinese companies like Huawei and Hikvision. That includes democracies in Europe, Latin America, and Africa. In the United States, the picture is equally alarming. A 2023 study by Georgetown Law's Center on Privacy and Technology found that facial recognition databases now contain photos of roughly 117 million American adults, pulled from driver's license records, passport photos, and social media, without most people ever consenting to this. The FBI alone ran facial recognition searches over 390,000 times between 2019 and 2022. And the error rates are stunning. MIT researcher Joy Buolamwini proved in her landmark 2018 gender shade study that facial recognition misidentifies black women at a rate up to 34% higher than white men. Real people have been wrongfully arrested because of these errors. Robert Williams in Michigan, Niger Parks in New Jersey, both arrested for crimes they did not commit, with AI-generated false matches as the primary evidence. Beyond faces, behavioral AI is tracking how you walk. Yes, your gait. Systems developed at MIT and deployed in airports across Asia can identify individuals from 50 meters away using nothing but their stride pattern, even when their face is covered. Your phone is a surveillance device by default. Research from Oxford Internet Institute in 2023 showed the average smartphone app requests 15 permissions, many of which feed location and behavioral data directly into commercial AI profiling systems. Advertisers are not the only buyers. Data brokers sell these profiles to law enforcement, insurance companies, and governments with almost zero regulatory oversight in most countries. The European Union passed the AI Act in 2024, which bans real-time public facial recognition in most cases and classifies mass surveillance AI as high risk. It is the strongest legal protection on Earth right now. The United States has no equivalent federal law. Only a handful of cities, San Francisco, Boston, Portland, have passed local bans. Practically speaking, here's what you can actually do. First, use a VPN and regularly audit your app permissions. Delete apps that request camera or microphone access without obvious need. Second, if you live in a jurisdiction with GDPR or CCPA rights, you can formally request that data brokers delete your profile. Organizations like EFF and Privacy Rights Clearinghouse have templates. Third, pressure your local representatives for surveillance ordinances. Local laws have proven effective where federal ones do not exist. The trajectory here is clear. Without intervention, by 2030, researchers at the Future of Privacy Forum estimate that AI surveillance infrastructure will be capable of tracking 90% of urban populations in real time. The question is not whether to use this technology. It is whether we build laws fast enough to govern it before it governs us.